Lovelies, do you know we can make $50 on a daily basis using some simple prompts with ChatGPT? I know you'll fight with your keyboard how you're going to ask, are you a millionaire? No, I'm not a millionaire, but I'm a lady that has discovered that my smartphone with internet can make me go mountains, can make me go valleys, can make me go or withdraw the amount of money I want, provided I put focus and I have the knowledge and understanding. So I sat down and I'm like, this man I've been earning. Have I been earning it? What has been my guide? Indeed, I found out that ChatGPT has been helping me. So today I'm going to show you how you can do it. So go with me. There's a screen recording on the screen. This is what I did. Or this is what you can do if you want exactly to know how you can make money, how you can make $50 using just a smartphone, especially if you're consistent and strategic. So, but before that, I would love to give a shout out to Immaculate Show. Team, thank you very much for making this program and making this project work. Thanks for always supporting it. Special thanks to the subscribers and the new people that are coming here, people who want to learn. You guys, it's your gadget. Your gadget, it's your gadget and it's your money. So the choice is up to you. This is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial consultant. No, I'm not a financial guru. I'm a lady, yes, who knows what she wants. But together with us, we are going to learn how exactly can we do this. How do you think you can do it? There are 5 ways you can use ChatGPT. And how did I discover this? It is practical. If you know there is nothing you know, right now you might say, I don't know what I can do. I want you to get your smartphone, go to ChatGPT. You can either download it or you can use the website, the Chrome version. Go there and tell ChatGPT, this is what I said. ChatGPT, give me 5 ways that I can earn $50 on a daily basis. And this is what it gave me. As you can see on the screen, it put for me, the first one is freelancing on mobile apps. We have some time back talked about freelancing on mobile apps. I'm going to give freelancing on mobile apps, I'm going to give it 4 out of 10 as max, 4 out of 10. Why? Because these ones, they always give a little bit amount of money and they want you to be serious. They want you to be more focused for you to get some huge amount of money. But people are using it. That's why I started with it. So what do you do here, or what to do? What you do on these freelancing apps, you offer services. When we're talking about services, we offer services like writing, graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, social media management. You can offer on these platforms. What are these platforms? These platforms we have like Fiverr, we have like Upwork, we have TopTal. The only thing I would request you to do, for you to put it to push its grade at least, and you meet some amount of money that you want, is to make sure that you really focus on smaller gigs. These smaller gigs can give you around $10 to $20. And also, in focusing on them so much and you be perfect, you'll find you're building your rating, you're building the way people are going to rate you. So this one can even offer you extras. And for you to reach $50, you multitask if you don't use only one platform, so you can use different platforms. Then the second one is YouTube Shorts or YouTube videos or video faceless videos. This is what ChatGPT gave me. And indeed, ChatGPT does not lie. This is what I do. Like YouTube, I'm using YouTube. This video, I'm putting it on YouTube. So you expect that I'm going to do to get money. Here, what do you post on YouTube? You can post short form or you can post long form. Short form, there are 3, Like shorts are 3 minutes, and the long videos can be from 9 and above, or 5 and 10. It is up to you. But remember, whatever you do determines how many advertisements are going to be on your video, and that one determines the amount of money so the longer the better, and the shorter also the better. They have their different advantages. So for you to monetize these shorts, these long form videos, you can monetize them in different ways. ChatGPT did not lie. You can monetize by AdSense earning, sponsorship, brand sponsorship, affiliate market, all this. Each one of it has its own requirements. If you want to know more about this, you can put it in the comment section. The potential of earning here is good because I enjoy it. You can earn for AdSense from $1 to $10 per video. So now it is up to you. How many views do you get? How many videos do you post on a daily basis? So this one, it would be easier for you to get the $50 per day, whereby you decide and say, do you know, baby girl, this is my main. So what I encourage you, post like three of them, like 3 shorts or 3 videos on a daily basis. I have tried to post 2 to 3, but since I'm working, it is a bit hectic. Then the third one is affiliate marketing. I've been telling you about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, I'm going to give it around 7 out of 10 because it is perfect. What you do, you don't need any inventory, you don't need anything. You promote other people's services, other people's products. The only thing you do, it is to get the platforms that they have. They have these affiliate programs, platforms like ClickShare, platforms like Jumia, platforms like Amazon. These ones you can do, sign up and then use their link. Here you'll be earning commission. When you sign up, you just head over like to other platform like TikTok, like Facebook, Instagram. You do short reels. When you do short reels, you post them. Short reels like these short videos explaining the product. Like if I want to talk about this cup from Home Center, I bought it like this. It is very durable. This is what I mean, because I already have the cup. I'm talking about the cup. Then I put a link for Home Center where I bought this. And the moment you click on this link and buy the cup, even if you buy any other product, but you have entered the platform of Home Center through my link, through this cup's link, you are going to get commission. Then the fourth one is selling digital products. This is perfect. I'm finishing my ebook. It is one of the digital products. What you do here, you can sell ebooks, you can sell guides. So if you want that ebook, I can even send for you the PDF. It is not a lot of money. It is $2 for the ebook, especially for the people, the first 50 people. I'm going to give you at $2. So you can sell it on different platforms. Here you can sell them on WhatsApp Business. You can sell them on Facebook, like the one I'm advertising it right now. You can go to PayHip, or you can even go to Seller, KNDP, very many platforms. So what you need here, you need only Canva and your idea and Google Documents and start designing it. Here you end up getting around $10 to $50 per day. The last but not least is about TikTok or Instagram Reels with brands. This is what ChatGPT has given. Just one prompt has given me all these 5 ways. Now, if one prompt can give me 5 ways, how do you earn money on TikTok? You build a niche audience. After building a niche, there are different types of niches like lifestyle, like education. You can go to travel. You can go very many. And in this, you're going to get money in different ways. Either brand sponsorship. You can even go to sell shout outs. You can do a lot of things on it. Earning potential here, especially it is for macro influencers, they earn 50 and above per post. So it is up to you right now. I want you to put on your shoes and make sure that, can we earn this $50 per day? Yes, we can earn this $50, provided we have known what ChatGPT is holding. ChatGPT is giving us same thing that we know it is there. So the only thing you know is out of these 5